he states, it is narrated that Umar ibn al-Khattab was giving a sermon on the pulpit of the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alayhi wa alihi, mentioning that he has authority over the believers more than themselves. He says that أنا أولى بالمؤمنين من أنفسهم. I have more authority than the people have over themselves. Basically, I own you. I own you, you don't own yourself. I choose for you. I command, you obey. Spoken as a true tyrant, because often tyrants try to take this authority, and usurpers try to take this authority from those who actually have authority, like the prophets and their successors. This statement, the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alayhi wa said it. Amir al-Mu'mineen salawatullahi alayhi said it. For indeed, the Messenger of Allah has more authority over the people than they have to themselves. And Amir al-Mu'mineen has more authority over the people than they have over themselves. Umar ibn al-Khattab is stealing these statements and usurping this right and saying, no, I have authority over the people than they have over themselves. Al-Husayn, blessings be upon him, upon hearing this, it is as if Al-Husayn, or it is as if Umar ibn al-Khattab barely finished the utterance to this statement. He barely finished the last letter to the statements before Al-Husayn, blessings be upon him, stood up from an angle in the mosque and yelled, "Get down, you liar! Get down, you liar, from the pulpit of my father. The pulpit of my father, the Messenger of Allah, not yours." You liar, as in the narrations of Al-Ihtijaj, was withdrawn, was extracted, was blue penciled from the narrations of, that is in the Bakri sect, from Tariq al-Madinah ibn Shabba, Khatib al-Baghdadi. They did not mention it. This narration mentioned that Imam al-Husayn called him a liar. Al-Husayn, blessings be upon him. Al-Husayn, the master of the youth of paradise, called Umar ibn al-Khattab, and here I speak to those who refer to themselves as Sunni, to know this, that the grandson of the Messenger of Allah, Al-Husayn, son of Ali, the master of the youth of paradise, the one who the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Husayn is from me and I from him. Al-Husayn, the grandson of the Messenger of Allah, deemed Umar a liar and deemed him a usurper by his statement, "Get down, you liar," to Umar from the pulpit of my father. The pulpit of my father, the Messenger of Allah, not yours. This statement that you have uttered is not yours, it's not your right. This statement, in stating that you have more authority over the people than they have to themselves, is only to my messenger, my grandfather, the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and my father Ali ibn Abi Talib. You do not have the right. Get down. Umar replied, indeed, notice the maliciousness of Umar ibn al-Khattab. Notice the wickedness and the shrewdness of Umar ibn al-Khattab. He says, indeed, this pulpit belongs to your father, the Messenger of Allah, not mine. Who taught you this? Umar says, who taught you this? Your father Ali ibn Abi Talib? Here, it becomes clear to us, يعني يتجلى لنا. It becomes very clear to us that Umar ibn al-Khattab here was trying to indict Ali ibn Abi Talib by the statement of his son Husayn.